the one time I needed damn organics. Dickhead. Do I not have enough? Oh my god, I don't have enough. You gotta be kidding me. Very well lesson learned. It's a very well lesson learned. Is everyone getting radiated? No. Will work emergency 12-hour shift. Okay. Why can I not work on this? Huh? Wait, what's eating up all my organics? Okay. Never mind, it's just it queued it up, so. Jesus. Please tell me this can go through. Like, this is off beyond belief.
Jan, would you mind checking our food supply?
This is terrible.
I'd like to talk to you about that filtering system.
Okay, you didn't.
No.
Really? What's up?
Oh, this is terrible. Oh, man. Well, having that situation play out like that, I kind of want to get the radiation repulsor just so I don't have to deal with that ever again.